Hey guys, if you've got a modern Ford Taurus like this one here is a 2015, and you've got a crank no start issue, run your own test to determine if it's fuel, if it's spark. We knew it was a fuel delivery issue. Here, remove the fuel line, saw that we had no fuel pressure whatsoever. So go ahead and check this. This is the fuel pump driver module. It lives behind the back seat here on the passenger side. Bolts right there, plugs in, and I could tell this one was replaced already. So this is the second replacement in this 2015. Very common failure on these fuel pump driver module. Check that first if you've got no fuel pressure. There's a Napa part number if you want it, and that might just help you out with a Ford Taurus.